In this video, I will show you how to add multi-languages in Shopify. Follow along step by step, and you will see how easy it is to add different languages to your store. First, make sure you are logged into your Shopify account. If you don't have one yet, check the link in the description to register for Shopify. You can get 3 months for only $1. Now let's get started. In your Shopify dashboard, look at the menu on the left and click on Online Store. Then select Pages. Here, you will see a list of all the different pages that are part of your store. You can click View Page to see how your website looks to customers. Next, go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. Scroll down until you see Languages. Click on it, then select Add Language. A list of available languages will appear. For example, let's choose French and add it. After adding a language, you will see the option to translate. Shopify provides a tool called Translate and Adapt. With this, you can auto-translate your store into the selected language or edit translations manually. You will notice that titles, descriptions, and different sections of your store can all be translated. You can even auto-translate the entire page with just one click. For example, if you select Products and then choose Auto-Translate, you will see that everything on that page can be auto-translated. This makes it very easy to manage multiple languages in your store. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can create a multi-language Shopify store and reach customers all around the world. If you want to try Shopify, don't forget to use the link in the description to register and get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching.